Hi, welcome to Long Looms. Today we will learn how to master ChatGPT for 100% authentic content. So before we begin, there is a bit of controversy in the topic itself, using AI for 100% authentic content. So some of you might be thinking, how is it even possible? So I'll show you how is it not only possible, but it's a very efficient way of creating content. So let me show you what I have here. This is a Canva slide deck. This next one here is a detailed version of the steps that we are going to take with the exact prompts and obviously a recap of everything. Then I already have a Loom transcript, Loom video that I recorded for one of the previous newsletters. Then we have here ChatGPT, Model 4.0, and then we have DeepSeek just in case we need it. And at the end, we have Long Looms. That is my newsletter. You can subscribe to at imrankhushal.com if you haven't already, and you can watch the previous one, how to create strategic content faster. So if you watch this one, understanding the new episode, that is how to master ChatGPT for 100% authentic content, will become easier. Basically, it's an expansion of the same topic, but obviously it's a different topic, and you can still watch it and make sense of it. But let's dive into it. Okay, so the first step is obviously record a Loom video and get the transcript. So here we already have a Loom video with the transcript. As you can see, when you record a video with Loom, you can go to the right hand sidebar, and next to activities here you can see the transcript of your video. So copy it, and now we have a Loom video, and we are also recording this Loom video, but we cannot get transcript of it unless it's complete. So okay, now we have transcript of a previously recorded Loom video, and next step is clean the transcript using ChatGPT. So okay, I am inside ChatGPT and I'm asking it to clean the transcript. Okay, so as you can see, the prompt, it says clean the transcript, get rid of timestamps and unnecessary words and phrases. So I'll just paste the transcript that I copied from Loom and click enter. Now it's given me the transcript. Here's the clean up transcript without timestamps and unnecessary words. So basically it's 100% what I recorded in Loom, and now it is just given me as a clean version of it, properly formatted. I know it's 100% my voice and tone and style and formatting, because this is the exact transcript I recorded. These are the exact steps I recorded before recording the previous Loom. So once I have this transcript here, you see it's about 10-minute long video, and we got the transcript here with 5 steps, and obviously a post CTA, pre CTA, and the bottom line. So that doesn't matter what the transcript is about. So now we are done with the step 2. Step 3 is training ChatGPT on your voice, tone, and style, and that is the part I think some of you might think is difficult, but it's very simple. So to do that, you have to obviously you'll copy it, right? You'll copy it and you'll save it in somewhere. It could be a new Google Doc, right? And name it test transcript or test Loom, right? So, and now you actually have it as a post, right? So we can increase it. So okay, now going back to training ChatGPT for your voice and style, for your voice, tone, and style. So to do that, you can do a couple of things. First, obviously the easiest way is to, if you are using ChatGPT for a while now, go to a new chat, right, and ask ChatGPT, do you know who am I, right? And if it answers that is accurate, right, then obviously it knows you. If not, then you can always feed it more content, and I'll show you how. So okay, so it says yes, I do. You are Imran Khushal, LinkedIn authority expert, helping coaches, creator, agency owners. So that is something it took from my LinkedIn bio, and you can do the same. If it even if it says no, I don't have any information about you, you can still go here, right? And there are like actually two ways of doing it. So a shorter way is copy paste everything in your LinkedIn about section here, and so here's my LinkedIn about section, right? Update what you know about me, right? And now it's updating memory because we know ChatGPT 4.0 has memory, and you see it's updating memory, right? What else you can do to make it even sound more like you can save your LinkedIn profile as a PDF, right? And save it, and then upload that profile uh, as a PDF again. So here we have my profile, and I can simply say here is my LinkedIn profile. Update what you know about me. You can write anything. This prompt doesn't matter because this thing is so smart. It understands everything. Like whatever you tell it, it understands. Even if you make any typos here, don't worry. Just click hit, and now it will update your information. Everything it already knows, but it will update it based on your LinkedIn profile. It's taking some time because it's a long PDF, right? It has history of where I had worked before, my work experience, my education experience, and all those things. And now it went silent. So no, okay. So actually, memory updated. Cool. Now it has updated my memory. Sorry, updated the information it has about me. So it's showing my past work. Branded chief, highlight a copywriting agency, contributed to different newsletter, news, magazine, newspapers, and you hold and MPhil International Relations. So it took my experience and education degrees and all those things. What else you can do to make it sound more like you can obviously go here, go to your LinkedIn, right? And collect your last 10, 20, 30, 50 pieces of content. 50 will be like overwhelming, but yeah, you can go here and you can see your best performing posts, and you can actually get those posts, copy them, right? And for example, I have this post here, and I like its formatting. It's a storytelling post, and I can save it as a new document. So to save some time, I already have my posts and formatting style here saved. So you can see it's a long document, about 21 pages, right? And it has plenty of posts in it. And they are story posts, awareness posts, and opinion posts. So you download it as a docs or PDF. It doesn't really matter because ChatGPT can read different file types. So now we have my post and formatting. Let me make it bigger so you can see. So see, here are all the posts. Some of them are best performing, some of them got me clients, but yeah, they are I have selected them one by one from LinkedIn based on how well they performed and how I like them, right? And obviously some of the posts, they are personal, and it will give ChatGPT more context about like who am I, and how I write and sound, and what is my style, right? So okay, now just to upload this document, here are my and I type that document, done, and just upload it. Now it's updating the memory again. It will take some time. Okay, it's taking some time, but now it has updated memory. It says, got it, your LinkedIn posts have a conversational tone, direct and storytelling driven style. You are okay, you use short punchy sentences, focus on practical. So basically it is summarizing my style, tone, and voice to make sure that okay, it gets what I how I write and what I sound, and all those things. And as you can see, even at the end of my post, I use these two emojis, and it says, when needed for warmth, it says you use these two emojis, right? And clear city, repost, comment, guide, DM, etc., right? So obviously you can adjust those. So okay, now we are done with the training ChatGPT on your voice tone and style. What's next? Step 4 is verifying ChatGPT understands you completely. So again, we can go here and ask, so do you know who am I and how I write and what's my voice and tone and style? So as I said, you can use any wording. The prompt here doesn't really matter. It understands. So yes, it says, yes, I definitely know who you are, how you write, and your voice tone and style. So it's given me, again, my journey and all those bits and pieces of information that I provided, sharing my LinkedIn profile, my posts, and my LinkedIn bio. So it understands that to go a step ahead, I can upload more resources about me, any interviews, any podcasts, any previous uh, videos that I recorded, transcript of those, so you name it. So you can upload those, and it will definitely have more context, more information about you. So the more it knows you, the better it will sound like you. Okay, now we are at step 4. We have already verified that ChatGPT understands you completely. Now, step 5 is convert the transcript into multiple LinkedIn posts. So before we do that, we know that we had that transcript saved somewhere, and we named it test loom, and we have that transcript here, right? And before we do that, let me walk you through my last week LinkedIn activities, and I can show you these are the exact posts that I created using this method, and I posted them on LinkedIn, and they got me pretty good results. Not in terms of impressions, because that was not my main priority. So my main priority was obviously taking people back to Long Looms. This is something I started 3 years ago, and I could not do it consistently. But yes, now I am planning to do more and more long form content, just the type of content you are watching right now. So yeah, so I was going to show you my LinkedIn activities. So let's start from, okay, let's start with this pre-CTA video that I extracted from that transcript. So this is a pre-CTA video that basically says that tomorrow I will share a newsletter that will teach you how to create strategic content faster. That was my first piece. Then I shared another piece, and that was again extracted from that same transcript, and it was based on my personal struggle. I used to spend 10 plus hours a week on content, and most of it went to waste. And obviously you can see here is how, and just a simple repeatable process. Happy Sunday. Then I shared it, and here is the link, and people joined my newsletter based on it. Then another piece that was again an observation, so that I extracted from the same piece. And then here's a little illustration of steps that are mentioned in that test room: step 1, step 2, step 3, right? And you can see these are exact same steps, and I posted it on LinkedIn. And I didn't write these from scratch, but just extracted them from that newsletter. And here another post, and then this carousel, it actually summarizes what's in the transcript. So nothing new. It's the same thing that I had already explained in text form. So here it is with some photos and emojis, and so this is one carousel. I have one more carousel that I will post someday this week or next week. Okay, so you can see, actually, I had already posted it here. So why most creators struggle with content, and you can see it's a similar kind of carousel, but obviously it's in different style. And then that ended there. And yesterday I posted a pre-CTA that is, ChatGPT is ruining your content unless you fix this one thing. So this was a teaser about the video I'm recording right now, right? So I have already shared it. I said I will post a newsletter, a video tomorrow. So unfortunately, I could not do that on Friday because my daughter was not well. I'm planning to do it on Saturday instead of Friday. So on Friday, I have community call, so coaching call. So I think Saturday will suit me. Okay, so now we have here another yeah, so this is a random post. This is not part of that content system. So imagine this: your child is burning up with fever. So this is a post that I wrote at 6 a.m. Obviously, I could not sleep well yesterday, so these two posts actually, this is an old post that are recycled, repurposed, but this is something I wrote, just what I felt, right? And it has no CTA, nothing. It's just an experience feeling post. So yeah, so now we know that convert the transcript into multiple LinkedIn post types and then format like a pro using FormatFox. So you have seen already the post I did over the last week, and now let's create a couple of posts based on the transcript. Okay, so just grab the transcript, go to ChatGPT, and you can continue in this chat, or you can start a new chat, a new post. I'll continue in this one, and I will use uh, this exact prompt that I will share in my newsletter, and you can grab it from there. So it says, based on what you know about me, the transcript I have shared and my past LinkedIn post, transform this transcript into the following LinkedIn post format. So, and then I'm giving it exact guidelines, what it is supposed to do and what it is not supposed to do, right? So I'm copying the exact prompt, right? And pasting it here before the transcript. Okay, just to make it easier. So you can see I pasted the prompt here, and then I have already pasted the transcript down here, right? And now I just, okay. So you can see it's good at, here are 5 LinkedIn post formats transformed from your transcript while maintaining your exact tone, voice, and style. So engaging, personal storytelling driven. So you can see, as I already showed you this post, I used to spend 10 plus hours a week creating content, and even after all that effort, it didn't always land. Then I built a system and everything changed. Now I create high impact content in less time with less effort. Here is how it works. And then it lists all the steps, and then it says, want the full breakdown, comment guide, and I will send it over, right? So I can change that CTA, want to join my newsletter or whatever, right? So I can change, tweak the CTA, edit something if it doesn't feel right, but you get the idea that, okay, now here's an opinion post, here is an observation post, here is a quick tip post, right? And here is the carousel post. It will look similar to the one that I had already showed you. And now let's say we have this story post here, and there's a last step in our deck that says use a free GPT, that is format like a pro using FormatFox. So FormatFox is a GPT that I created a while back, and it's so good that it is available on the store. So you can go here, use it, and then review it, right? Leave a comment that how was your experience with this GPT. So based on this GPT, some people have already used it. It has 700 plus conversations. Some people are already using it. Previously, I only shared it with my community members, but now anyone can access, right? So some people gave it 5-star ratings 5. So 5 people have reviewed it so far. So you can see I created it. Um, so if I go here, who are you? Just a fun experiment. It says I'm the FormatFox built by Imran Khushal. So paste your raw post here, and I will suggest 3 formats to make it engaging and optimized for LinkedIn. You will pick one, and I will rewrite it for you. So you have option to format it yourself. I have a post. It is decent, but if I want to even improve its formatting and style, I'll just paste my post here. And now based on the type of post and my style, it is giving me 3 options: punchy and direct, story driven, problem solution. So I would say I'll go with the number 2, right? That is story driven. So as you can see, okay, it has just added more to what I have written earlier. So based on my post, it just optimize its formatting, and now you can see it's a pretty decent post to post, right? Going back to the system here, you see we are done with uh, how to master ChatGPT for 100% authentic content. And now, if we recap, so the first step is record a loom and get the transcript. The second is clean the transcript using ChatGPT. Train ChatGPT on your voice, tone, and style. Verify ChatGPT understands you completely. And then step five is convert the transcript into multiple LinkedIn posts that I showed you how and already did myself last week. And then use FormatFox to format it like top 1% creators. So this has gone to a 30-minute long video, but that's what the purpose of these videos is, that using a format that is not time consuming. This is just text. This is a deck that I created some day. Maybe I do a long loom about how to convert your text into presentations really quickly using Canva. And then we have our loom here and ChatGPT. Let me know if you want a loom about DeepSeek. I have been playing around with DeepSeek for a while now, and it's amazing in understanding the context and all those things. It's way better than ChatGPT's uh, for version, right? But the good thing is it's free. The drawback is obviously you cannot build custom GPTs like this one we have here. But yeah, it's evolving. So let me know if you want me to create a long loom about DeepSeek and Canva. So that's it, folks, about today's long loom, how to master ChatGPT for 100% authentic content. And now, as I will stop this recording, I will post a pre-CTA before publishing this as a newsletter that I have already done yesterday, and then I will post it here as a newsletter, right? I will extract a newsletter from it, and then I call that newsletter, this loom video, an anchor content, and the newsletter and the YouTube video is going to be the Spark content, and everything I will post on LinkedIn from now onwards will be again Spark content. Is story, observation, opinion, tips, right? So most of those posts will link back to this newsletter here. So that's it for today. I'll see you next week. Cheers.